Hello everyone, welcome back to my lovely fun channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do something very simple in Premiere Pro, and that would be to adjust the volume on your audio track in Premiere Pro. Let's get to it. Alright, let's go get an audio track. This one. Okay, so you drag your audio in to your bin. Then you drag your audio to the timeline. Now, you see this here? It says A1. You're going to click A1, click it double, and it's going to make it larger. It's going to make A1 larger, which is your audio. Next, you're going to click on this bar, which is in the middle of your audio, and you're going to move it up and down. So if I move it up, it's louder. If I move it down, it gets lower. So you also might be wondering, well, how do I make it gradually go up and down? The volume. Well, I'm going to select the audio portion, drag this to the beginning, and now if you hover over this little circle here in between the arrows, you see add-remove keyframe. So in this sense, we're going to add a keyframe. So I'm going to add a keyframe in the beginning where I want the audio to begin, and where I'd like the audio to, gradually become louder. And then we're just going to drag the first keyframe, and you can adjust that. You can make this louder, you can make this lower, you can make it more abrupt, you can make it more gradual, just by dragging it all around. So it'll sound a little bit more clean coming into it. And same goes for the end. If you'd like to phase out a track, add a keyframe here, add a keyframe here, and phase out the track. Alright, that was how to adjust the volume on your audio track in Premiere Pro. If you guys would like to see any more tutorials within the Adobe programs, please feel free to let me know in the comments below, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. And I'll see you guys later.